Hi guys, this is TJ. It was a very good day for me. I got 43k profits, and it was an good day for good day for Indian stock market. We broke 16k. Uh, Actually, the bank Nifty was trying to break this level from long back, and today it happened. Uh, with the support of FIIs. So if you remember, like FIIs were continuously selling from past few months. So today they become buyers. So it's a good sign for our market. Uh, yeah. So let's go to my trades quickly. So first, let's go to my uh, stock trades. So the first one is Titan. The Titan one I took today because yesterday also I bought Titan, and I saw very good momentum and volume here. So I expected a very good move today also. So actually I thought of buying, holding it overnight, but I missed it because uh, I don't want. I don't take overnight risk by buying futures. So what happened is I bought Titan futures at 921, one lot. So I bought it around 1794. So somewhere around here I bought it, and you can see I covered this entire move. So how I was doing is like I was just trailing the stop loss. So like this I cover this entire move, and when it came here, I sensed some weakness because lot of big red candles were seen. So I exited at this point. Okay, so if you can see at 10:27 I exited Titan. So after this, it gradually reduced. So I think I exited at the right time, and then I bought Bata India. So Bata India, I got it around 940. Um, Immediately, actually, I was about to put the stop loss, but um, it fell too much. So if you can see. Uh, at 940, at almost at the top at 1733, I bought it, and immediately it fell. So I closed it immediately within 1 minute. So I lost around 4k here, 4.5k. So so if you can see the value of stop loss. So if I would have not closed at this point, I would have lost a big, because this particular share fell too much. So the logic behind this trade is also same, because it wasn't 32 weeks high, and it was breaking this 1726 point with volume, with this big volume. So I took this, and immediately it started falling. So I exited at the right time, and then I took Emphasis uh, at 10:10. So here also I stop loss got hit. Uh, so that is one thing. So here, if you can see, after breakout it started falling. So I exited with my loss of 3,700, I think. Yeah. So and then I entered SBI at 10:30, at around 440, because it was also same reason. It was giving a very good move. So if you can see, I entered it around 10:30. So around this particular point I entered, and it make very good move. Uh, But today I did one mistake. I didn't write my profits today because at this particular point I was in a profit of 40k. So I thought of closing all my positions because to stop to keep the 40k profit. But usually I will not do this. So if you can see, I closed SBI around 443, but usually I would have righted this. So if you can see, from 440 I closed it around 158. So it went till 450. So I would have got a 10k here. um, yeah, and similarly I closed other bullish trades. I was holding 600, 700 and 800 put at 158. I closed everything. But at the end of the day I would have made 10k more in this. So that was one big mistake. I lost around 20k here. So this one I need to take care. So these are my stock trades. I made around 16k in present stocks. So if you can see, these are my stock trades. I made around 16k. This one. Okay. So then let's go to Bank Nifty trades. Bank Nifty was very trending a whole day. It gave very big move. It supported Nifty in crossing 16,000. Uh, So at the opening, it gave a very good bullish signal with big volume. Uh, I was expecting a very bullish. I was bullish from the morning, uh, but what happened is my stop loss got hit at the morning. So if you can see my 34,700 put, I shorted it at 195, and it moved down because of this big move. It was trading around I think 170 or 160. Then I trailed my stop loss, and my stop loss got hit around 210. So I lost some 1800 here. And this is my system trade. This is also my system trade, which both of my system trade gave 10,000, 10,000, yeah, 10,000 or 11,000. So it would have given very good profit, my system trade, but I closed it early. It was against my system rules. So this my system trades would have made more, mm, almost 8k more, but I closed it. Yeah. So this, and what else? So 34. I shorted 34. Wait. So this is my stop loss got hit, and at 957 I shorted this 34,700 put again at 175. So if you can see, the bank nifty started to break VWAP, and it was very bullish. So I went and shorted a 34,700 put, which was trading around 175, and I got very good profits of 6k in this. So I closed it around 1220 at 125, and I moved to 34,800 put, which was trading around 161. And here also I closed it around 134, uh, and again this one I closed at 158, as I explained, because my profit was at 40k. So but then I entered again. If you can see, at 237 I entered again, since bank nifty was very bullish. So I missed a very big move here. I would have made very good profits, because usually I roll puts when this kind of thing happens. So yeah, that's it for the day, guys. Uh, In system trades I made 11k. In discretionary trades I made 14k, and in stocks I made some 16. And if you remember, I was holding this particular trade, debit spread. So if you see my yesterday's video, I was holding this debit spread. I made almost 3k in this. Yeah. So overall, it was a good day. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks.